What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ayo Brando, and I'm back with another one. Today we're starting my VIP build. Yeah. So today I'm adding in the Starry night package. Don't know how it's gonna turn out. It's gonna be a very long process. I'm ready for it. I also got another surprise, but I'm gonna show y'all in the end of the video when I actually put it in. But yeah, just follow along in the video with me. I kind of started half of it already, just to make sure I could know what I'm doing, which pieces to take out, and I'll show y'all the other side, the process, and how far I've gotten so far. So far I've taken out the entire passenger side. I've taken most of it apart. I've taken out the O handle. Yeah, everybody knows that handle. The same one in the back though, took that out. Took this one out. Took this panel down. It doesn't need to come completely out, but it needs to come down so this could pry it out. Took this out, the back light. Took out the front sun visor, the dome light up here. Took out the center console. For the center console, violating. And then here goes the other one. For the center console, all it really was where's it up? So when you open the center console, you open that down. I got stuff in it, don't mind that. You got them two little holes, you pop those covers off. 2 screws inside. One on the left, one on the right side. Screw those out. And then you just gotta pull. I'm gonna show you a little sneak peek. I'm gonna do a full video reveal when I'm done with everything of what my interior looks like now. And then the next things I wanna get for it. But yeah, there's 2 clips right here. Plug out, this is for the sunroof motor. So disconnected that. Disconnected this for that light. Wow, was it that one that didn't work? I think that one never worked. That one might have not worked. Actually, no, it's this one. That one works. That's wild. That's wild. I don't know which one don't work, but one of them work. But I'm gonna show how to take these off. But with this, you pull this down and you come back here. You have a little groove back here. Get your little flathead, a little pry tool, most likely a pry tool. Flathead's gonna damage it. Go behind it, pry it a little bit, and then you see it pops open. Once it pops open, you just grab it off. Comes off like that, and then we get in here. You have you got 2 clips. So you got a bottom clip right here. Push that one up. You got a top clip. Get your little pry tool, push in between that, and then if you play with it right, you don't even gotta really do that. It'll just come out just like that. So this is what I've been doing. Come out, and I just come in here and I pull that out. Push this back in. Well, yeah, you get what I mean. It go back in there. Same thing on the other side. Just replicate the same movement. It's the same little groove. Go ahead, pull. Pops off. It's a button with a trunk sign on it, bro. Bro, it's a button with a trunk sign on it, bro. Maybe you're not driving enough luxury, bro. Nah, bro. Try my car. Yeah, same thing. It come out same way. This is difficult to do with one hand. Oh. Yeah, come out just like that. And same thing with the clips. This one, when you pop this down, come up in here. I don't know if I'm gonna catch it. I doubt it. Yeah, I highly doubt it. But if you come up in there, there's a little Phillips head. Go in there with your little screwdriver. Go in there with a screwdriver. You screw it out. Yeah, just see everything. everything just comes out as one. Come over to the front side. To the front side. So we got a dome light. All the dome light really is. Do it with your fingers, easier with this. Come over to the side. Oh, wrong side. Go, pop that down. Go. Alright, so when you get the light, you see these two like little plastic clips on the side. If you pry at each, it basically just comes out just like that, and then the cover comes off. Now, with this, come take this. You have to get this cover off. All this cover really is, just pry it off, honestly. Huh? Bro, I'm trying to record the other side. This is not easy with one hand. I should see the sweat on my forehead. Too bad I'm not gonna show y'all. So you get two Phillips heads.
I'm saying, kid, shit go crazy, you say? Foreign go crazy, kid, know what I'm saying? Foreign go crazy.
Come on, bro.
How much I should cushion, bro?
Probably like 98 to the wheel, man.
What you put in it? You put it in.
That was pretty good.
What you putting in it?
Bro, I'm gonna drop a 1J in it, man.
Okay.
Yeah, bro. 30 what's going on, man?
Complete import, or we gonna use the US 1J?
Huh?
Trick question.
Trying to drink this piece of shit.
Huh?
Nigga, what? Put y'all on.
It's off actually,
Yo,
bro.
look.
You're looking kind of. It's like that.
All right, I'm gonna go back to what I was doing, bro. Just get that back screw.
It's not my real keys, actually. My keys are actually right here, just so y'all know what I'm just saying.
I don't think
okay.
we like this.
Hey, bro. The real foreign's over there. I'm just. Oh.
And then this just pulls right out. Come over here for this. All it simply does is it's a twist, and then it just pulls right out.
For living.
Just like that. Push that up, and then the same thing right here. I'm not gonna show y'all that because I just did. So once you get all that done, you have you have an airbag back here. So when you want to take this, when you want to pull this, you got to be like extra careful. You'll get it probably halfway, and then you'll reach like a clip in there. I'm not touching that clip because I don't really want to touch the airbag or anything, but then all this is free. Come over here, and now you have your clips that hold this little side panel on. What? Sheesh. It's usually never that hard. And you got two Phillips head screws right here. So you gotta screw those two off. 1, 2, get those two off.
Bro, go in that hole.
What you got going on back there? So just a quick little update. Headliner's down. I marked some dots of where I want to put it. Oh, my phone about to die. Well, I marked some dots of where I want to put each light. So basically, I'm gonna have it like a little bit wider, open, spaced out over here. As you get to the center, it's a little bit more jumbled. I may not follow all these, yeah, but I'm just using a thumbtack to poke the holes and just feeding it through. Come to the underside. You know you got it hanging out like that. Still got all that to go though. Tragic. Well, get back to it. So this is in like hour 3, hour 4. I don't know, but yeah. I'm gonna show y'all what progress we got so far. I got Gorilla Glue. Who, me? No, I don't, bro. Watch out. Take this out my mouth. So I use Gorilla Glue on the ends to see what would happen. It works. But yeah, we got a good amount done. Still have a lot more to go because this center part is not done. But it looks good. It's coming along. Coming along. After this, I'm gonna need to get my headliner clean though, because it's violated. For right now, we're done. As many strands as we can see are in. So hopefully they're all in. It's just not a fun job at all. At all. But now I'm just gluing everything down to make sure that they stay in place. So when I do wire management and then figure out where I'm place the box and all the other stuff, it doesn't just rip out. The module comes with a 12-volt wall outlet and a 12-volt cigarette lighter outlet, but I'm not connecting either one of those, so I just cut the wires. It's simply...
I was trying to burp, it didn't work.
Wow.
I got your electrical tape.
Appreciate it.
Oh, you trying to give me this? If you plug this into your car, bro, guess how many horsepower?
Where you gonna plug it into?
Bro, you're gonna put it in a fuse box. You're gonna plug it into 2 different fuses, your ignition fuse and your fuel pump fuse. And then you go get 12 extra horsepower, because you see, like right here, you see how it says 12 to 15 volts?
That surely says 1.5 amps.
Yeah, but you gotta multiply it times 10, because you know you got a 2010 and above car, and lower, 2010 and below, because they all get 10 extra. I'm gonna go plug it in.
Okay. Well, you get what I mean. Yeah, took this wire, cut it, get these 2 ends out on each wire. I'm gonna just use them as an extension for each other. I don't suggest this for anybody that does not know what they're doing. But yeah, hopefully this works. Should make an extension for it, then connect it to some other power source in my car that I'm gonna not disclose at the current moment. But yeah, I'll do this until I decide to actually fix it properly. So the car is finally done. As you guys can see, the starlights are installed. What you guys don't see is we put in the chandelier. So I installed the chandelier and I installed I don't know if you guys can see that, but some curtains. I'll show you guys some more in the morning. Tomorrow, it's currently like 1 o'clock in the morning or something like that. It's in. Does not look bad at all. I actually love it. You gonna pay attention to my little chandelier right now. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll catch you guys in another one.